So hey guys, today I will show you how to download or make a bootable pen drive of your Windows 10. So go to your browser and type the Windows 10 and search it up, and then click on the first link from Microsoft, and then you will see a button telling that download tool now, and then click on it and download that tool. And it will take very less time because it is very small. And when it's downloaded, so keep it on a desktop and insert your pen drive in your computer and just format it. The pen drive, you can format it, and then after that open that media creation tool and just click on yes. And then after creating, then you have to accept the terms and conditions. After you accept that, so it will say getting few things ready. It can take time, so please be patient. So after that, you will getting two options. Select the second option, and then click on next, and after that select the language to English, and then addition to Windows 10, and then architecture what you want. So mostly nowadays it's 64-bit, so click on 64-bit and just click on next, and it will start down. And first you will see this, choose which media. So you can choose use this drive, flash or disk drive. So click on that pen drive which you have inserted. Please format the pen drive before you download the Windows on it. So as you can see, it is showing that downloading Windows 10. And after this so the progress will start according to internet speed. As you guys can see, after few times it is going on. My Windows 10 download is my Windows is downloading on my pen drive. So don't close this, so your download will pause. So after the download, you will see creating Windows 10 media. So it can also take a few time. So yes guys, be patient. And after it will be done, you will get a message, your flash drive is ready. So when you will click next, and then setup will complete. And then you will see this. And yes guys, so as you guys can see, your pen drive, bootable pen drive is ready.
Lights are red and there's sweat on your